In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of your experience on Mercado Libre Peru and Mercado Libre. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to online marketplaces, by the end of this guide, you'll be ready to efficiently manage your cart and explore your orders effortlessly. So, let's get started. To begin your journey, you'll want to visit the official Mercado Libre Peru website. You can do this by simply opening up your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Mercado Libre Peru. This amazing platform offers a wide range of products with the added benefit of free day shipping options available for numerous items, making it an ideal choice for customers looking for convenience alongside competitive pricing. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to head over to your cart. The cart icon is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on the cart will allow you to view all the items you've added, helping you review your potential purchases before finalizing your order. Navigating your shopping cart is simple, and from here you can make adjustments as needed, whether that means modifying quantities, removing items, or perhaps reevaluating to ensure you've got everything you need. It's always a great practice to double check your cart to make sure all items are in line with your expectations and requirements. Next, it's time to log in or sign up to view your orders. Accessing your account is crucial for managing your purchases efficiently. Look for the login option on the home page. If you're already a registered user, go ahead and enter your credentials. However, if you're new to Mercado Libre, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, the sign-up process is pretty straightforward. You'll be asked for some basic details like your name, email, and password. Registering will grant you the ability to keep track of your order seamlessly. Once logged in, you gain access to order history, shipping details, and customer support should you require any assistance. It's vital to remember that having an account not only enhances your shopping experience but also keeps your transactions secure. It enables you to receive notifications and updates about your purchases, ensuring that you're always informed about where your order stands. By following these simple yet effective steps, you're now well equipped to navigate Mercado Libre Peru with ease. This guide is all about ensuring that your transaction process is smooth and enjoyable. So whether you're purchasing essentials or looking for that special item, you now have the know-how to handle Mercado Libre like a pro. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping.